Hello and hi my dear friends, welcome to Chef Thadi's Cuisine. So today I'm doing something different. This is my first fresh juice video. I'm gonna make a perfect lassi. What do you call for a lassi? It's an Indian drink, but this is not the usual lassi. I'm gonna add mango for that. So this becomes a mango lassi, one of the perfect drinks that you all love. So let's make it. We will have one mango and a little bit of curd, like 2 or 3 tablespoons per person, and some sugar and some salt and some ice cubes with a little bit of fresh milk. So let's see how to make it. You gotta have the blender for it. Chunks of mango into the blender. And curd. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curd and some sugar. 3, it's enough, and 2 pinches of salt. Just a pinch, right? And some cubes of ice. Goes into the mix. And a little bit of fresh milk. The taste of the mango lassi depends on the mangoes you choose. We should take finest and ripest mango. Now the mango lassi is ready. Let's have a look. It smells awesome. My goodness, I love it. This is one of my favorite drinks. So let's see. It's so creamy, my god. This is the perfect mango lassi that you will ever drink in your life. Try this with your friends and family and comment below in the comment section. Subscribe for my channel, click on the bell icon and share with your friends. This is the perfect mango lassi. Let's meet up in the future videos. So, goodbye. This is Chef Thadi's Cuisine.